In this video, we listed the 5 best laptop stand that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Roost V3 Laptop Stand. The Roost laptop stand is a highly portable and adjustable accessory designed to fit all laptop models, including the Apple 16-inch M1 Maximum. Its lightweight and collapsible form make it ideal for business travelers, while the patented pivot grips ensure stability for both PC and MacBook laptops. With 7 adjustable height settings ranging from 6 to 14 inches, it provides an ergonomic viewing experience at eye level. The stand also comes with a carrying sleeve for easy transport and boasts outstanding reviews from satisfied customers. Its robust design includes TPE rubber insets to securely hold your device, making it a reliable and versatile tool for any professional setting. Number 2. Tonmon Portable Laptop Stand. The Tonmon laptop stand is a versatile, portable, and ergonomic solution designed to elevate your laptop for a more comfortable and productive work experience. Adjustable to 7 different heights, it helps reduce neck fatigue, back pain, and eye strain, making it perfect for use at home, in the office, or outdoors. Featuring a sturdy triangular support and large anti-slip silicone pads, it ensures stability and protects your device from scratches and sliding. The stand's open design also promotes better airflow, keeping your laptop cool during use. Lightweight at just 0.57 pounds, it folds easily for convenient portability, ideal for business travelers. Compatible with laptops ranging from 10 to 15.6 inches, including brands like Dell, HP, ASUS, Lenovo, and Microsoft, it offers broad compatibility for various devices. Number 3. MOFT Adhesive Laptop Stand. The MOFT Adhesive Starry Gray Laptop Stand is a slim, lightweight, and highly portable solution for enhancing laptop ergonomics. At just 0.1 inches thick and weighing only 3 ounces, it is virtually unnoticeable when not in use. Made from a unique blend of PU and fiberglass materials, this stand can support up to 11 pounds, ensuring stability for most laptops ranging from 11-inch to 16, including various MacBook models. Its one-piece, foldable design saves space and transforms into a sturdy stand in a second, offering 2 adjustable angles, 25 degrees and 15 degrees, to improve posture and accommodate both sitting and standing positions. The stand is compatible with laptops that do not have vents, making it a versatile and efficient accessory for users on the go. Number 4. ElfAnt Laptop Stand. The ElfAnt Silver Laptop Stand is designed to offer a customizable and ergonomic solution for laptop users, featuring 9 height adjustments ranging from 2.75 inch to 12.67 cm to 32 cm, ensuring optimal visual alignment and helping to prevent long-term cervical spine issues. It includes a non-slip design with silicone pads for added stability, making it ideal for use with a keyboard and mouse for improved comfort. Suitable for various environments like travel, home, office, cafes, and restaurants, this stand is compatible with a wide range of devices, including MacBook Air, Pro, Google Pixelbook, Dell XPS, HP, ASUS, Lenovo ThinkPad, Acer, Chromebook, Samsung, iPad, and tablets. The product is patented, reflecting its unique design and functionality. Number 5. HUANUO Laptop Stand. The HUANUO multifunctional lap desk is a versatile and portable solution for comfortable work and leisure. Designed with adjustable tilt angles, it offers 8 different positions for the perfect viewing or typing angle. The desk's cushioned base ensures comfort and stability, and it can accommodate laptops up to 15.6 inches or large tablets. Made from durable plastic, it features a built-in lip to prevent devices from slipping off. Lightweight and easy to carry with a handle, this lap desk is ideal for use at home, in the office, or on the go. Backed by a US-based support team, HUANUO guarantees quality and offers peace of mind with each purchase.